Welcome to our virtual middle school orientation. My name is Jolene Emhoff, and I'm the middle school principal here at SE Middle School. Although school will look different this year, we are excited to be back together again and look forward to seeing you, whether in person or online. Attendance, participation, and work completion will be the key to a successful school year. In both the hybrid and virtual learning models, attendance will be taken daily and students will be graded on their assignments. Google Classroom will be the main platform for all virtual assignments. Other online platforms that will be linked to Google Classroom so you can get to everything through Google Classroom. It is imperative that students check their Google Classroom and email every day and that they complete assignments on time with good quality. If you are having difficulty with your schoolwork, please contact your teacher right away. We are here to help you succeed. In light of COVID-19, a few important changes have been implemented for this school year. All staff and students will be required to wear a mask and stay socially distanced. Socially distanced means standing 6 feet apart. Students will need to complete a daily health screening before entering the building. Breakfast and lunch will be no cost for all students this year. Students will get a grab-and-go breakfast that will be eaten in their homeroom. There will be an extended homeroom. And lunch will be served in the cafeteria with students sitting socially distanced. Lockers will not be used. Students will need a durable backpack to carry their belongings. They will also need to wear sneakers for PE class. As mentioned previously, attendance will be taken daily, both in person and online. Students will need to engage with the learning task for each scheduled class, Monday through Friday. Numerical grades will be given for all classes. If students are struggling, they should contact their teacher immediately. Although this school year poses many challenges, it is also full of new opportunities. I appreciate your assistance as we work together to make the return to school a smooth transition for our students. Please feel free to contact us with any questions or concerns and enjoy the remainder of your summer vacation. See you soon.
Hello, my name is Mr. Perry and I'm the assistant principal in the middle school. In order to provide a smooth transition back to school, students will spend their first in-person day of school either on Tuesday, September 8th or Wednesday, September 9th in their homeroom. While together, they will review protocols for wearing masks and social distancing, receive their Chromebook, and learn other new procedures. Please be aware that students will need to submit their signed user device agreement before they will be issued a Chromebook. Having a school-issued Chromebook is an expectation for all students in all classes. Additionally, students are responsible for caring for their Chromebook as well as using this technology device for educational purposes. The student code of conduct rules still apply regardless if you are fully virtual or in person. For example, cell phones, the rule is they are often away during the school day from 8 a.m. to 3:15 p.m. Seating in classrooms as well as the cafeteria have been socially distant to maintain your safety. Please remember to conduct daily health screenings before you leave your house. In addition, please bring your own mask to use during the day. If you don't have a mask, then a mask will be provided to you. I look forward to meeting incoming 6th graders and reconnecting with 7th and 8th graders throughout the 2020-2021 school year. Please enjoy the middle school virtual orientation video that will include a sample of virtual and in-person schedule. Meet your grade level teachers and facilities that you'll access if you are in person. Have a great rest of your summer and look forward to seeing you soon.
In a time full of war, be peace. In a time full of doubt, just believe. Yeah, there ain't that much difference between you and me. In a time full of war, be peace. In a world full of hate, be a light. When you do place that needs change and make a difference. In a time full of noise, just listen. 'Cause life is but a breeze, better live it. In a place that needs a change, make a difference. In a world full of hate, be a light. When you do somebody wrong, make it right. Oh, don't hide in the dark, you were born to shine. In a world full of hate, be a light. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. In a race that you can't win, slow it down. Yeah, you only get one go round. 'Cause the finish line is 6 feet in the ground. In a race you can't win, just slow it down. In a world full of hate, be a light. Oh, when you do somebody wrong, make it right, make it right. Don't hide in the dark, you were born to shine. In a world full of hate, be a light. Yeah, it's hard to live in color when you just see black and white. In a world full of hate, be a light.
When the dogwoods start to bloom and the crickets hum their tune, that's usually about the time that I feel most alive. But the news has all been bad, and the whole world seems so sad. I ain't had much else going on, so I sat down and wrote this song. I miss my mom, I miss my dad, I miss the road, I miss my band, giving hugs and shaking hands. It's a mystery, I suppose, just how long this thing goes. But there'll be crowds and there'll be shows, and there will be light after dark someday when we aren't 6 feet apart. First thing that I'm gonna do, slide on in some corner booth and take the family out, buy my buddies all around, pay some extra on the tab, catch a movie, catch a cab, watch a ball game from the stands, probably overwash my hands. I miss my mom, I miss my dad,